Hey guys, what's going on? So I've been researching crypto trading agents for roughly 2 years at this point, digging through Reddit threads, Telegram groups, YouTube videos, Discord communities, basically everywhere I could find information. And honestly, it's been a mess. No matter where you look, there's always someone promoting a platform with profit numbers that seem impossible, reviews that are clearly paid for, just so much fake hype everywhere. And yeah, I actually fell for a couple of these early on, tested maybe 15 platforms in total. One wouldn't process my withdrawal request for over a month, another had fees that weren't mentioned anywhere until I tried to cash out, wasted money, got burned, basically concluded that the entire AI trading space was one giant scam ecosystem. But then, roughly 8 months back, I came across TradeSmart, and it's genuinely been the only platform that's actually trustworthy and hasn't done anything suspicious. Everything operates cleanly, it's transparent, no sketchy stuff. So I'm walking you through my real setup here because if you've gotten scammed and you're skeptical about everything now, I completely understand that, and maybe this actually helps.
Okay, so first thing I need to do is choose my preset. Options are safe, optimal, and aggressive. This determines how aggressively the bot operates, my risk tolerance, profit expectations, and how much capital is needed. So platform's suggesting optimal, but I only used that when I started. Just pick whatever feels comfortable for you. Okay, so then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which AI models handling everything. And from my experience, auto select is hands down the best option. It picks the optimal one consistently, and I've legitimately never had to manually adjust it. Next up is investment amount, so whatever sum you're comfortable with for the session. Okay, then comes network selection based on traffic and what the fee structure looks like. So I choose whichever has cheaper fees or just stick with auto select. Okay, and final step, hit start AI, which launches the whole process. From here, I'm basically just monitoring it.
Alright, so a few minutes passed and I've stopped the session, and here's the full breakdown. My total balance, profit generated, trades executed, win rate percentage, and session time. There's also this console showing every move the agent made during that run. So yeah, this should demonstrate how legitimate and reliable this AI technology actually is. So now I just gotta select the currency and put in my address. 1 second. Okay, now I'm hitting confirm withdrawal. All right, processing. Perfect, tokens are on their way to my wallet. Good, so while I'm waiting for those to appear in my balance, let me share my actual experience and why this is genuinely the only AI platform I trust after all the others were complete scams. So the biggest thing I realized after getting scammed multiple times is that legitimate platforms don't hide information from you. Every scam I encountered operated in the shadows. You'd deposit funds and have zero clue what was actually happening. No trade history, no transparency, just hoping they were doing what they claimed.
With TradeSmart, it's the total opposite. The console shows every single trade in real time, what was bought, what was sold, entry and exit prices, everything. That transparency exists because they have nothing to hide. Scams can't offer that because then you'd see they're not actually trading. And the withdrawal process has been flawless every time. I'm talking like 25 withdrawals over 8 months. Different amounts, different networks, never had a single problem. Funds always arrive when they're supposed to. That reliability is what proved to me this isn't a scam because every fake platform I tried before had withdrawal problems.
And something that really stood out, there's no manipulation tactics. Scam platforms are constantly pressuring you with fake urgency, limited time offers, bonuses if you deposit more, all designed to make you act without thinking. This platform has none of that. No pressure, no psychological tricks, just a tool that works. So if you're tired of all the fake platforms and you want something that's actually legitimate and won't waste your time or money, I was in your exact position 8 months ago. TradeSmart link is in the description and I'll pin it in the comments so it's easy to find. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below. What's been your experience with trading bots? I'm curious.